So in the teacher resources section, they have over 10,000 digital downloads of activities and workbooks and teacher planners and all sorts of things that you could use in your homeschool. Hi friends, welcome back to Calm in the Chaos Homeschool. If you're new here, my name is Davine and I homeschool 4 kids ages 10 to 13. So today I'm going to be talking about a really cool subscription that I heard about. It is by Creative Fabrica, which is a company that creates graphics and digital downloads for people to use. And I've been using it for my business for many years now. I have a subscription for Creative Fabrica and I get a lot of designs and graphics from their site. However, they reached out to me recently to let me know that they have a new section, the teacher resources section. So in the teacher resources section, they have over 10,000 digital downloads of activities and workbooks and teacher planners and all sorts of things that you could use in your homeschool. And for $2.99 a year, you have access to all of these resources. They call it the Teacher Club Card, and with the Teacher Club Card, you can download 5 downloads a week, up to 260 downloads a year. So there are tons of things that I want to show you. So I'm going to bring you on the computer and I'm going to show you the Teacher Club Card, and I'm going to show you examples of the sorts of resources that you could download with this card. Okay, so here I am at Creative Fabrica. Here is the main page for teachers. So with this club card, you can download 5 teaching resources per week and up to 260 per year. So as you can see, you can download so many products with this card. So it's $2.99 per year, and 100% of this is paid out to teachers. So let's just go into the teaching resources area and take a look. All right, so here are all the things. So over 10,000 products available that you can download. So as you can see, there's kids activity books. There's some tracing number things. Let's see, there's a homeschool planner. Let's take a look here. Christmas activities, Sudoku puzzles, preschool bundle. So let's see what is interesting here. So body parts for kids. All right, some of the things that I saw that were super interesting are some sort of Montessori type things that would look really fun for the younger grades. I would say they have a lot of activities for the elementary years. I would say especially for preschool, kindergarten, and then for the upper elementary, things like practicing their math facts. Here's a fall unit study. Let's take a look. Okay, so with this unit study, it's very comprehensive. So that's a fall unit study. Let's see, what else do we have? Human anatomy, organs. They have teacher planners on here. I've seen some teacher planners that looked really cool. Math activity workbook. Let's see, what else do I want to take a look at here? So some shapes, cutting, coloring, more autumn stuff. Very thematic if you like to do thematic units. Sight words, word worksheets, crossword puzzles. Cocoa, interesting. Watercolor cocoa life cycle. So that's kind of fun. Let's see. So very beautiful art, beautiful graphics available here. Yeah, so this is really cool. For $2.99, you have access to so many different things. So if you're the type of homeschooler who likes to just piece some things together, or you want some supplemental things to add to a unit, your space games, forest games, or you're just trying to come up with ideas, you could just go through here and find the next appropriate thing, and that could be the next thing that you do. So you can see that there is a wide variety of things available here. We have summer activity books. So you can actually take a look for yourself at all of these. There will be prices under each of these, and they're usually probably $2, $3, $4, $5, maybe even $10 if you pay for these separately. So there's no reason why you wouldn't want to get the subscription for $2.99 if you find anything you're interested in. But you can browse here. You can go on here and you can take a look at all the resources available before you buy. So I will link in the description box below, as well as in the comments, the information page for this subscription in case you're interested. So with this subscription, you can cancel anytime with no obligation. Here's a planner here. So here, if you like pink, there's a planner, weekly plan, weekly lesson plans. So there are a lot of planners on here. I've seen that as well. So you would never have to buy a planner again. You could just print off the one that looks most interesting to you. Here's a STEM book here. So STEM, it's just a workbook for grades 2 and 3. So these are all teacher created resources. So I hope that gave you a good idea of what you would get if you got the teacher club card from Creative Fabrica. I think it's a really great deal, especially if you like to put together your own resources, or you like to do unit studies, or you have younger kids where you need certain activities for them. So I will definitely link in the description box below a link to the teacher club card in case you're interested. Thank you so much for coming today and watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.